Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a kidney bean rice pilaf, and I'm going to use organic kidney beans 1 can. I'm going to use a basmati rice. It's a 1 cup basmati rice. I washed with the cold water and I drained the water. I put it into my strainer. All the water is drained. 2 cup water. 1 onion I cut into long slices. And as for other dry ingredients, I'm going to use from my masala dabba. And olive oil for our tadka. You can use any vegetable oil. And let's start making kidney rice pilaf. I'm going to get a fry pan. I'm going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll bring 1 teaspoon cumin seed. 1 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'm going to bring ginger garlic paste. Cooking for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring onion and we're going to mix it well. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They are nicely transparent. Now I'm going to bring the kidney beans. We're going to mix it. I'll bring my gas to medium. Cooking for 1 minute. The kidney beans pre-cooked. We're going to keep our gas on medium and I'm going to bring the spices. Coriander powder, half teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Cumin powder, half teaspoon. And salt we're going to add half teaspoon, and it's always to taste. Please add less because the kidney beans do have salt. And turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to cook our spices along with kidney beans for 30 seconds. All the spices are nicely combined. We'll bring 2 cup water. Mix it well. After mixing it well, we're going to bring our gas on high and we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it until the water boils. The water started to boil. I'm going to start the fan. I'll open the lid and we'll bring the rice. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on high gas, cover with the lid and we're going to cook exactly 5 minutes. Cooking our kidney rice pilaf on a high gas for exactly 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the temperature to low, which is simmer. And we're going to cook it on simmer and we're not going to open it. We're going to let the steam in and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open it. Cooking on simmer, which is a low gas. Our kidney rice pilafs are done and I'm going to turn off the gas. I'm going to start the fan and I'm going to open the lid. I'm going to get a fork. I don't want to use anything, just use a fork because the kidney beans, they are already cooked and they become so mushy, if you just like this. See how they break? So with the soft hands, See, look at how the rice, the grains are totally separate. I used the kidney bean from can, and you can use the kidney bean fresh, then you won't see this problem. At this moment, if we look at, you press it, they are fully nicely cooked. So I'm going to dish out and I'm going to share with you. Our quick and easy kidney rice pulao, sprinkled with cilantro. It's looking so delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.